Hello and welcome. Today we will learn how we can import chart of account given in Excel into the QuickBooks Online. So let's go to the screen and see how it works. Go to My Apps, Accounting, Chart of Accounts. On the right top, Imports. We have to follow three steps: upload, map data, import data. For upload, we have to download the sample file. So this is the template provided by the QuickBooks Online. We have to provide at least three columns information: account name, type and detail type. But be careful while providing information of the type and detail type of the account. So this is the chart of account I have prepared as a sample to upload. I have prepared 6 accounts, 2 banks, 2 other current assets, 1 income and 1 expense. Save this file as CSV. Upload the CSV file. Now go to the next. We have to map data, detail type. Actually, QuickBooks Online fields are required to be mapped to our fields provided in the Excel. So these are actually already mapped. So detail type is mapped to detail type, account name, type to type. All okay. Go to the next. So these are the accounts provided by us for upload in the QuickBooks. All 6 accounts are good to import. So let's click the import. Boom, all accounts are uploaded: bank account, petty cash, loan to associate, prepayments, sale of goods and bank charges. So this is how simple it is to import the chart of account in the QuickBooks Online. For detailed video, please go to my channel and see the complete video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.